Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore webhooks for marketing data sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your marketing platform dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the settings or integrations section. Locate the webhook settings option. Check for any existing webhooks and identify if any are inactive. If inactive, select the webhook you want to restore. Click on the Restore or Reactivate button if available. If there is no Restore option, you'll need to create a new webhook. Select the option to create a new webhook. Enter the relevant details such as the name and description. Provide the endpoint URL where the webhook will send data. Choose the events you want to sync, such as new leads or customer updates. Set up any required authentication details for secure data transfer. Save your webhook settings. Test the webhook to ensure it's functioning correctly. Use a tool like Postman to send a test payload to your endpoint. Verify that your endpoint receives the data as expected. Monitor the webhook's performance over the next few days. Adjust any settings as necessary based on the data flow. Regularly check for any errors or delivery failures in the logs. Implement error handling on your endpoint to manage any issues. Ensure your webhook is compliant with data protection regulations. Finally, confirm that your marketing data sync is running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.